Hi everyone! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sending love and light para sa aking mga viewers. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang araw ninyo? Again, sa mga nakapanood po ng aking recent upload, maraming maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panonood ng mga aking ina-upload. And maraming maraming salamat din po doon sa mga nagko-comment po kay Leluna. Much appreciated po. So for today, meron tayong gagawing collective reading para po sa inyo. So sana makaresonate kayo dito sa ating reading na gagawin. Okay? Um, Wala na akong ibang masasabi pa pero maraming maraming salamat. We are almost 3,200 subscribers if I'm not mistaken. Checking today. Maraming maraming salamat. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, I hope sa aking mga susunod na upload is makaresonate po kayo sa reading and considered subscribing kay Laluna. Okay, so collective reading tayo ngayon. Titingnan natin yung energy ng aking mga viewers versus doon sa energy ng person na makukuha natin. Okay? This is a love reading. Okay? Para sa inyo, aking mga viewers. So, nagpray na po ako. Napray ko na po ang card. I hope accurate reading ang makuha natin sa inyong sitwasyon. Don't focus on the sign. It can be you have a sign in moon, rising sun, okay, or your other placement, okay. And don't focus on the gender, okay, whether you are a masculine or a feminine, pero more masculine ka or more feminine ka. So, um, sign doesn't matter, okay? So, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Gawa tayo ng collective general reading para sa aking mga viewers. Anong energy ang mapipick up natin sa ating mga viewers right now sa kanilang love journey? Again, this reading is for entertainment purposes only. Huwag gawing batayan ang reading para sundin sa any decision making na gagawin sa life ninyo, okay? This is a guide only. Okay? Okay. I don't read reversal, okay? Pero kapag naramdaman ko na kailangan ko siyang basahin in reverse, so babasahin natin yung cards in reverse. Okay. Start na tayo. Collective reading for my viewers. Hierophant. Five of Wands. Fire sign. Eight of Pentacles, Earth sign. Ten of Swords, Air sign. Okay. Page of Cups, water sign. Mm-hmm. Okay, what I sense here, meron ako nakikita dito na someone, whether you are an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, has a conflict. Tingnan natin ah. Someone is busy. Okay, meron ako nakita na someone is busy. May you please clarify the hero? Okay. Queen of Cups. Meron ako nakita dito na merong someone, it can be you have a argument, okay, on job. Mm-hmm. Wait lang ah. Ilatag ko muna yung card bago ko basahin isa-isa. Then, pull tayo ng confirmation card. Oops. Uy. Hindi ko nakita there is a Four of Swords. Strength card. Tingnan natin ah. Meron ako dito nakikita na someone is in a Ten of Swords energy. Judgment. Okay. Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles. Okay, what I sense here, meron ako nakikita dito na someone na traditional person, whether this is a feminine, Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is a very loving person, very emotionally matured person, okay. And maybe meron siyang kakonect na older person or mas matanda sa kanya. This person na kakonect niya is very traditional, okay. And sabihin natin very firm ang principle sa life. Siguro po pwedeng sabihin natin very strict. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone na meron ako nakikita dito na it can be this is unforbidden love. Okay, clarify natin. Yung Hierophant. Is clarify Hierophant. Death card. Okay. So, merong connection na nag-end dito kasi po pwedeng hindi po pwede na mag-push through yung connection. There is an ending here. Maybe on an older person, can be a Scorpio. Okay. Death card is here. Four of Wands in reverse, which is Four of Wands signify sometimes a marriage. Okay? So, hindi po pwede. It can be hindi talaga po pwedeng mag-push through yung connection kasi po pwedeng yung isa is um, a preacher, okay, or something to do with a religion, okay, or a very traditional and much older traditional person, okay, and it can cause conflict, okay. Mm. Meron din ako nakikita dito na someone is busy working. Aha. Meron akong nakukuha na energy na hindi po pwedeng mahalin yung other person kasi this is a forbidden love. Kapag ka ipinagpatuloy at hindi inend yung connection dun sa person is can cause chaos. Okay? That results to death or hindi maganda yung kalalabasan. Okay? Kaya this person is siguro is nagpapakabisi na lang sa trabaho pero nagpapakatatag siya and somehow alam niya sa sarili niya na this Queen of Cups is the one that he loved. This Queen of Cups is the one who can tame him. Okay, yung kayang, alam mo yon kayang i-sway siya or basta itong Queen of Cups na to, yung talagang itinatangi niya. Alam niya sa sarili na yon. Pero hindi po pwede kasi nag-end na to. Kasi kung hindi ma-end yung relationship, mas matindi yung mangyayari and can cause sickness or death nga. Okay? So, dahil hindi nga nag-push through yung love offer na hindi nag-push through yung love connections between these two person, this older person which is represent can be a hierophant. This hierophant can be a traditional at po pwedeng in other term is a preach or a pare or basta hindi po pwedeng i-push through yung love. Yung connection kasi alagad siya ng Diyos or anything na forbidden. Hindi po pwedeng i-pursue yung connection or yung love. Kaya itong guy, itong masculine na to, is in the Ten of Swords. Okay? Kasi, alam niya sa sarili niya na mahal niya yung girl. Okay? And there is a judgment dito na tinatawag. Okay? Na talagang hindi po pwede. Kasi maybe this judgment card is a calling. Na talagang may calling siya kay Lord, may calling siya na hindi po pwedeng ituloy yung love kasi isinerve niya na yung sarili niya kung ito man ay preach or pare sa Lord. Meron ako nakikitang ganyan. And then, this person po pwedeng tinitingnan na lang niya sa malayo yung girl. Tinitingnan na lang niya sa malayo si girl. Okay? Na may mag-offer siguro ng love dun sa Queen of Cups. Okay? With the Five of Swords. Tingnan na lang natin. Clarify the Page of Cups. Seven of Swords with the 1, 2, 3, 5 of Swords. Tingnan mo meron ako nakikita dito na gustong i-offer nung guy yung love niya doon sa girl pero mas pinili niyang itago na lang yung mga gusto niyang sabihin doon sa babae kasi hindi po pwede. Hindi po pwede na matuloy yung connection between the two of them. Okay? Gusto niya mag-offer ng love, gusto niya mag-offer ng emotion. Mahal niya yung babae. Pero hindi po pwede kasi talaga. That is why this person is looking sa malayo. Tinitingnan na lang yung girl. Clarify 5 of Swords. Hindi ibig sabihin, guys, ng Hierophant is parang pare or anything. Pero, meron ako nakikita dito na this is somewhat a traditional person. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng matuloy yung connection kasi there is a chaos na magaganap kapag ipinurso pa rin yung love niya dun sa Queen of Cups. Okay? Itong guy na to, kung sino man to. The World card. Okay, so, pwedeng lumayo yung guy, pwedeng nasa malayo yung guy. Tinitingnan na lang niya, yung kinap na lang niya, has secret, sinikreto na lang niya yung nararamdaman niya doon sa babae. Kasi hindi nga po pwede na ituloy kung ano man yung nararamdaman niya doon sa babae. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Justice. And 3 of Swords. Okay. Ay, 3 of Wands. Okay. So, meron ako nakikita dito na siguro nagpakalayo-layo na lang yung guy. Nagpaka-busy sa trabaho, ikinep na lang niya yung nararamdaman niya. Swords is a communication kasi para sa akin. Hindi na lang niya sinabi kung ano man yung mga gusto niyang sabihin doon sa babae. Yun ang nakikita ko. Kasi, it can cause chaos kasi. And maybe there is a law or may malalabag na batas kapag may malalabag na batas kapag pinursu niya yung babae. And I don't know kung anong sitwasyon yon exactly. Take what's resonate lang. So, yun yung nakikita ko. There is a love here, pero mas pinili nung guy na wag sabihin na lang doon sa babae yung nararamdaman niya. Lumayo siya. Lumayo, biglang hindi kinausap yung, pwedeng hindi kinausap yung girl. Kumbaga kinimkim na lang niya yung nararamdaman niya kasi siguro para walang gulo. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko. Para walang gulo. Okay? Para walang gulo. Yun ang pinaka nakita ko So, I don't know ano bang mangyayari pagka halimbawang sinabi niya yung nararamdaman niya doon sa babae. Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung outcome? Ano ba yung outcome ng connection na yun? Okay. Queen of Wands. Okay. So, take charge of the situation. If you are the Queen of Cups, waiting for that specific person, take charge. Collaborate. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, collaborate, may pagkasundo na lang. Ace of Wands. Breakthrough. There is a new direction. So, ang outcome nung love or energy kanina nabasa ko is, hindi kasi talaga pwede yung love. Okay? Na, or yung relasyon na nakita ko kaya ayaw i-person nung guy kasi may gulo It can cause chaos and may law na malalabag. Meron akong nakitang ganon. So, ang outcome na lang nito, take charge para doon sa girl, para doon sa Queen of Cups. Take charge, collaborate, okay, and there is a new direction. Inano ka sa ibang direction. Siguro, talagang, hindi talaga pwede Hindi po pwedeng mag-offer ng love yung person na yun, kung sino man yung nakuha nating energy kanina. Kasi forbidden Gawing inspirasyon na lang. Oo, gawing inspirasyon na lang yung connection nyo o yung memory mo with that specific person. High Priestess. Diba? Seven of Wands. Stand your ground. Okay, this person will stand your ground. Okay, this person still watching you. O pwedeng kakausapin ganitong person na to, pero parang casual na lang. Hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Take what's resonate, guys. Kung mag-resonate sa'yo itong reading. This person will stand his ground and kakausapin ka na lang niya, kakamustahin, pero has formal na lang. Hindi na katulad siguro ng dati. The Star. Oh my God. This person will look to you as a star. Forever as a star. So, titingnan ka na lang niya sa malayo. Pagmamasdan ka na lang niya. Anyway, this person still spying and looking for you, pero hindi niya na ipo-pursue yung love na meron kayo. Para dun sa mga nag-resonate ng reading. Alam niya na you are very beautiful, you are very attractive, very loving person, very sensitive, very warm, and very confident also. Alam naman niya na you can stand on your own. And alam din niya na alam mo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. This person, aware siya na alam mo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Kaso nga lang, kasi talaga, hindi po pwede na i-pursue yung connection. Meron ako nakitang ganun guys. Knight of Cups. Oh, this person is very romantic. With the Page of Cups kanina and Knight of Cups ngayon, talagang very emotional tong person na to. This person, nakuha nating guy na hindi, mas piniling wag sabihin yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, is very romantic person. And maybe, may mag-offer sa'yo ulit ng cup of love. Hindi man tong person na to, at least, hindi mapapahamak siya kung halimbawa mas pinursu niya yung love niya sa'yo. Kasi forbidden. Page of Coin, okay? Okay? Maybe may makikilala ka na a Page of Coin and a Knight of Cups na young, grounded, okay? Nine of Wands. You're very drained right now. Meron ako nakikita. Drain ka ngayon dahil dun sa nangyari. There is a communication coming sa'yo. Pwedeng galing dito sa person na to or galing doon sa mag-o-offer sa'yo ulit ng emotion. Ayun ang magiging outcome. There is a redirection happening kasi nga hindi na pursue, hindi na tuloy yung connection mo with specific person kanina kasi nga forbidden. Hindi kasi maganda mangyayari kapag itinuloy niya, sinabi niya sa iyo yung gusto niyang sabihin. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Okay? Tingnan natin Okay, gamit tayo nito. Ito, and then yung message of love. Yung mga hidden messages na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, sana. So, tingnan natin ha. Ano yung mga hidden messages na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Sana. Yung person na nakuha nating energy kanina na hindi niya nasabi. Okay? So, unahin muna natin tong message na to. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng person kanina na nakuha namin yung energy para sa mag-resonate sa aking viewers? Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa aking viewers? Okay. Last one. Thank you. Okay. So, tingnan natin. I left you before you could leave me. So many things remind me of you. This person still thinking of you. You speak to me through music. Okay. He remembers you through music. O pwedeng mahilig din siya sa musics. Or pwedeng mahilig ka din sa music. The timing just wasn't right for us. Hindi right yung timing between the two of you. Kasi nga hindi po pwede na i-pursue yung love. Okay? I feel you even though we are apart. So this is another confirmation that this person po pwedeng lumayo, okay? Or po pwedeng nagpakalayo-layo. At ikinep na lang niya yung gusto niyang sabihin or yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Okay? Kung sino man ang resonated sa reading natin. Last, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Oh my gosh. Hindi, sabi niya, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Kasi mahal ka nitong person na to. Okay? Doon sa aking mga feminine na mag-resonate yung reading. Mahal ka nitong person na to. Kaso nga lang, talagang hindi kasi po pwede. Kasi may mangyayari na hindi magiging maganda yung resulta. Okay? So, ayan yung messages niya sa'yo. I left you before you could leave me. So many things remind me of you. You speak to me through music. The timing just wasn't right for us. I feel you even though we are apart. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, hirap na hirap siya na i-let go ka. Kaso nga lang kasi talaga, kailangan niyang gawin. So, hindi raw tama yung timing ng pag-meet up ninyo, pagkakakilala ninyo. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ng 6 ulit na card for message of love, oracle natin para sa inyo. Number 1, disagreement. I wish you understood how I feel. So, pwedeng hindi mo siya naintindihan kasi doon sa, kasi hindi lahat nasabi niya sa'yo eh. Okay, pwedeng hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung sinabi niya or yung point niya. Okay, bakit siya kailangan lumayo? Bakit siya biglang nawala? Okay. There is a disagreement. Next, missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. This person looks at you as a missed opportunity. Okay. You are a missed opportunity for this person. Space. I need more time to think. Kanina lumabas yung Two of Pentacles, juggling. Okay, kung sasabihin ba niya sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya or hindi na. Kasi nonsense na rin naman. Holding back. I should have expressed myself better. This person is holding back with the Five of Swords and Seven of Swords kanina, if I'm not mistaken. This person is holding back message, holding back yung mga sasabihin niya sa'yo. Hindi niya na-express yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Next, escape. I left when things go hard. Okay? Confirmation of I left you before you could leave me. Escape. Kasi pwedeng hindi naman siya talaga pare or anything. Basta, pwedeng kasing hindi maganda yung mangyayari kapag pinursu niya yung connection niya between the two of you. So, may mahirap na pagdadaanan kasi. Okay, meron ako nakitang mahirap na pagdadaanan kapag pinursu niya yung connection ninyong dalawa or yung love niya para sa'yo. Kaya, mas pinili niyang mag-escape, mas pinili niyang magpakalayo-layo at itago na lang yung nararamdaman niya. Okay, last card for my viewers. Last card. Please give me last card for my viewers. Then, let's pull a song para sa inyo. Last card, thank you. Detachment. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. Okay? So, this person chose to let you go. Third party. There were other things that got in the way of us being together. Another confirmation that there is something or a situation that prevented the both of you para magkasama at magkatuluyan at magkaibigan. Third party doesn't mean another person. Third party can mean a situation na hindi talaga po pwede. Whether someone is traditional, whether someone is very strict in their religion and magkaiba kayo ng religion, okay po pwedeng ganun, magkaiba kayo ng values. Same with both families, kaya hindi po pwedeng i-pursue. Okay? Maraming bagay, maraming third party na dahilan kung bakit hindi niya pwedeng i-pursue yung love niya para sa'yo kasi mahihirapan kayo parehas. Hindi lang siya, pati ikaw. Kapag pinagpatuloy niya at kapag pinagtapat niya at ipinilit niya yung pagmamahal niya para sa'yo. Kaya mas pinili niyang mag-let go, mas pinili niyang umalis. Pero alam niya na you are a missed opportunity. Okay? Pero this person still thinking of you. Okay? This person need time to think. Okay, whether babalik siya o ipaglalaban niya yung love niya para sa'yo. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng song. Kuha tayo ng songs para sa'yo. Ano ba yung songs? Kasi sabi niya, you speak to me through music. Sabi niya, di ba? So, you speak to him through music or to her through music. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung songs? Okay? Na dedicated niya para sa inyo. So, let's get 5 songs. Okay, 5 songs ba? Yes, 5 songs para sa inyo. So, this is a random songs, okay? Next, Bakit Ba? By Shackle. Bakit ba iniwan mong nag-iisa? Bakit ba sa akin ba'y nagsawa na? Sinusunod naman kita kahit ano kinakaya, wala pa rin kwenta, bakit ba? So, maybe, you are the one who is questioning him or her, bakit ba iniwan mo ako? Bakit ba hindi mo ako pinaglaban? Bakit ba kinalimutan mo ako? Parang ganon. Next song, Ghost. Song by Justin Bieber. Young blood thinks there always tomorrow. I need more time but time can't be borrowed. I'd leave it all behind if I could follow. Oh my God, resonated lahat. Guys, kuha tayo. Pakinggan nyo yung mga music na yan ha. Pwede nyong ilista para mapakinggan ninyo yung music and your meaning ng music. Let's get another 3 songs for you. 3 songs para sa aking collective. So, kuha na lang tayo ng 4 songs pa kasi para 6 siya. 4 songs for my collective. Okay. How can I tell her? Song by Lobo. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So, girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? So, for some of you, it can be there is another person for the third party, ha? Iilan lang, ha? Okay, and Dreaming of You, okay? By Selena. I just wanna hold you close, but so far, all I have are dreams of you. So I wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. So this person holds back yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na talagang mahal ka niya. This person, mas pinili niyang wag sabihin yung nararamdaman niya towards you. Na talagang mahal na mahal ka niya. Okay? So, yun yung gusto niyang sabihin. Talagang mahal na mahal ka niya. Katotoo naman yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Napapanaginipan ka niya. So many things remind me of you. Hindi lang talaga tama yung timing. I feel you even though we're apart, okay? Kahit magkalayo kayo, nararamdaman ka niya. Iniisip ka niya. Okay. Last 2 songs for my collective. Last 2 songs for my collective. Okay. Papa tayo ng isa for last songs for my collective. Last songs for my collective. Last songs for my collective. One last song for my collective. Dedicated ni person nila para sa kanila. Okay. Last song, please. Okay. So, Later, song by Fralipo Lippi. It's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain. Later than never to love you again. And last one is song by Wigfield, Close to You. I just wanna be close to you cause I understand the strength of your hand. Oh, and love that you put me through. You're more than a friend, so love me again. O, di ba? Talagang um, talagang hindi kayo nagkaaminan nito. Alam mo sa sarili mo na mahal ka niya, alam din naman niya sa sarili niya na alam mo na mahal ka niya. You're very intuitive with the high priestess kanina. Ramdam mo na mahal ka niya. And totoo yung nararamdaman mo. Okay? Na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. So, I hope naiintindihan mo yung ibig kong sabihin. So, yun nga hindi lang talaga tama yung timing for the both of you. Hindi tama Kasi po pwede nga kasing maraming bagay kasi na nakahadlang sa inyong dalawa. Po pwedeng religion nga, po pwedeng family niya, family mo, na can cause chaos. Kaya ayaw niya ring mahirapan ka. Kaya mas pinili na lang niya na lumayo, i-detach yung sarili niya sa'yo. Kasi ayaw niya ring masaktan ka. Okay? Kaya mas pinili niya yon na wag nang sabihin yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Alam niyang you are a missed opportunity kasi you are the strength card. You are the one who can tame the lion in him. Okay? At totoo naman yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Okay? So many things remind me of you. You speak through music. The timing wasn't right for us. I feel you even though we're apart. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Nahirapan siya. Nahihirapan siyang i-let go ka kasi mahal ka niya Kaso, ayaw niya ring mahirapan ka. Kaya that's why, mas pinili nga niyang lumayo at magpakalayo-layo. Okay, so sa aking mga collective viewers, maraming salamat. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. Thank you so much for watching. So, please consider like this video, comment down below is resonated sa inyo, and you can share this video, okay, para mapanood ng iba. So, abangan nyo pa yung ating mga susunod na reading. So, next upload is a pick a card, okay, para sa inyo. So, maraming salamat. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Again, this is Leluna Tarot, sending love and light. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye!